Hi, Amanda Koehler from Northwoods here, and today I want to show you a great new feature of Titan CMS 7.1, which is the Snippets Manager. It's a really great feature that I want to walk through with you today. So logging in to the workstation here, what you'll notice is if you go over to the Titan admin section, we have a whole new area in here called Snippets. And this is really where you can control all of the different code snippets that you want to put on your site. You can take these snippets and put them on your entire website, into specific data sites that you have. You can take these pieces of code and just put them on one page here or there. It's a really cool tool. So right here in Titan Admin, you can see all of the different snippets that you have, which are really just those pieces of code. So for example, if you're looking to incorporate schema.org markup for your website, you can easily kind of add that type of code and that snippet right here into the snippets list. And now you can have that snippet of code available to add to anything on your site. What's really great about Snippet Manager is, yes, you can add code to any section, but Snippet Manager allows you to take pieces of code and create dynamic elements within them that then you can map to certain fields in your data site. So let's look at an example of that. One example is schema.org markup for a blog post. And normally you might have to sort of manually type out this entire bit of code to get this markup onto each individual blog post. But what Snippet Manager allows you to do is dynamically insert certain fields into the code. So for example, for your schema.org markup, when you need to add a headline, you can kind of put in a title there, a featured image, a sort date, the last published date. You can really put in these dynamic fields, which is really great. You can add that right here into the snippets, and then when you've decided, okay, I've got my code ready and I want to go ahead and add it to my data site for every single blog post that I have, you can go right over here to the blogs, into snippets, and here you can see, and you can actually add that bit of code and map those fields for title to specific elements within your page properties, within your data site structure. You can really put all of this together. Now, what makes this so great is that once you apply this to your entire data site, every single blog post within that data site or within that, or even within one of your globes, will have that schema markup or have that snippet on it. Really cool. So if you added that schema.org markup to your blog post, you can come back over into your content management area, take a look at your blog posts, and what you'll see is that for any one of your blog posts that you have added, you can actually get to this new section again called snippets. And now what you're able to see are all the additional snippets that are on your page. And when I open that up, here you can see my schema.org markup for blog postings that goes right on this particular element. And instead of site title, it's actually pulling the actual page of name of that page. It's pulling the date published name. It's getting all of that information and dynamically inserting it into the snippet here of code so that you don't have to do the work of entering any bit of code on every single page of your site or every single blog post. What's great about Snippet Manager is that you can control all the different snippets. You can create as many pieces of code, anything from canonical tags to schema markup to open graph to anything that you really need to have on your site. And you could apply those snippets at the site level, per data site, or you can apply them just to individual pages. So if I were on our main home page and I wanted to just go ahead and add one little snippet, say schema.org markup for website, I could come right here and add it just to this page. And now I can see that I've got exactly what I need to here, which is this schema.org markup for website. So it adds it right to that page. So Snippet Manager is a great new tool, a great new feature in Titan CMS 7.1, and I think you're really going to enjoy it.